Let's cut to the chase. I'll show you how to quickly install a projection screen. It's from the brand Yandood. Open the package. Take out the projection screen. Remove the protective paper. The silver gray side is the front. Place the front side facing down. Put the frame on top of the screen. Leave some margins around the screen. This will make it easier to fix the screen later. Use the wooden frame as a straight edge. It's convenient for cutting. Cut off the excess part. Move the frame to leave an installation margin. After cutting, use the frame as a straight edge for easy cutting. Move the frame to the center of the projection screen. Make sure there's a proper fixing margin around. This is called a reinforcement edging strip. It's used to fix and strengthen the four edges of the projection screen. When fixing the four edges of the screen, it will be very secure. The screen is not easy to be damaged and can be disassembled and reinstalled repeatedly. There are pre-scored folding lines in the middle. The back of the edging strip has strong adhesive. It has a double-sided adhesive-backed protective paper design. It's easy to position when applying. First, peel off one of the adhesive-backed protective papers. Align the edge of the screen and paste it on. Peel and paste simultaneously. If it's not pasted properly, it doesn't matter. You can peel it off. Realign it and paste it again. This adhesive reaches its best bonding strength after 24 hours. After pasting one side, peel off the other adhesive-backed protective paper. Fold the edging strip in half and press to paste. Since there's an indentation in the middle seam of the edging strip, it folds easily. Use a tool to firmly press the edging strip to avoid air bubbles. Thus, one reinforced fixing edge is completed. Fix the four edges in the same way. Center the frame. When fixing, remember to start from the midpoint of each edge. Start from the middle. Fix it. The tool in hand is a staple gun. Go to the opposite midpoint and stretch the screen tightly. Don't worry about the creases in the middle. They will smooth out later. Then, stretch the middle of the side tightly. Remember, always start fixing from the middle of the four edges and extend towards both sides. For this screen, the tighter it's stretched, the better. Only when tightened can it prevent heat-induced expansion and sagging, especially in northern regions during winter installation. It's best to turn on the heating and install in a warm environment. Look, as you keep stretching, the wrinkles in the middle are getting fewer. The screen is becoming flatter. Fully stretch the screen before nailing each time. If you have tools like pliers, you can use the pliers to pull it. Then stretch it tightly. This makes it more firmly fixed to ensure the screen doesn't wrinkle in hot summer. Look, the screen is basically flat. Now, let's do the corner wrapping treatment. For wrapping the corners, wrap them in whichever way you think looks good. The above video is for reference only. Treat the four corners one by one. If there are any missed nailing points, you can add nails. When nailing each time, keep stretching the screen to keep the screen in the tightest state. Okay, it's very flat. The screen is installed. Look, isn't it very flat? The next step is to attach a black border to the projection screen, a light-absorbing flocked black border strip. It's both beautiful, and it improves contrast and the viewing visual effect. It's also a Yandood branded flocked strip for the screen, specifically designed for this type of screen. It has strong adhesive on the back. Peel it off, pull it flat along the marked line. Press it flat by hand, and paste it on the screen. Cut off the excess part. Wrap the flocked strip around the front and side of the frame, so the side is also covered with the black flocked strip. Stick the excess on the back. A very beautiful projection screen with a black border is completed. Now, let's check out the projection effect. We're using the Ximi H3 projector.